excited I am to... Look at this. I got the pink iMac. It's perfect. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So I wore pink today in honor of this unboxing. And actually, fun fact, I got my nails done the other day and I did pink toes and red nails just by happenstance. I didn't even plan that, but it's like pink and red. It's like, it's the whole vibe. It's the whole vibe. Crazy, right?
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
So I am unboxing the pink iMac. Okay, I wish the whole thing was this color, but you know, look. They didn't call me when they were designing, but it's okay. I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's just get into it. It's just so exciting opening. Okay. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Let me pull this out first. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Let me not break it. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, let's put this to the side. Wow. Keyboard. Oh my gosh. Everything is pink. Like the cords are pink. Look how precious. Oh, I love that. Okay. Got your cords here. You got a USB-C and a lightning cable. And then you have the power adapter. Oh, my instructions. Ooh, my stickers. We have a rose gold apple sticker and a red one. You can keep those. And my startup instructions. Oh, so pretty. It's like rose gold pinky on the bottom and then white on the top. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep this box for moving purposes.
I would like to get to know Cookie. What kind of girl that you get down for? 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that
when them nasty. Fix things, fix things, whipping. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching-ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with this squeeze silicone and real best. Can I blow a breeze for the head of the penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
Prepare to be sick of me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look, it's loading. It's loading. Is this Touch ID on here? Oh. Okay, turn on your remote. Turn on your thing. I love these instructions. Hello. So I will show you guys a little bit of my setup and customization next. So here I am just downloading Chrome. Gotta make sure I have my favorite browser on my new computer. So I'm just gonna download that. Also, the install is pretty fun. Like, how cute is it? The little drag and drop to install. So I'm going to do that. Next, I'm going to download a 90-day free trial for Final Cut Pro and test that out and see how I like it. So, I've just been playing around with the computer and setting it up a little bit, and it's so fun. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. So, yep. That is all I have for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!